Now, to make a neat presentation for your diorama, let's cover the outside of the box with some black construction paper. You don't have to use black, you can use another color, but today I'm using black. You'll also need a light colored pencil if you're going to make lines on a dark piece of paper. So I'm going to line up my box with the edge of the paper, so I only have to cut two sides. So I've got my line down. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to cut here. And that will be ready to glue on. Check your piece. Make sure it's the right size. Let's cut out all our pieces before we move on. Now I've covered almost my entire box with my black construction paper. I left one side, and instead of gluing, you can use your glue. I'm going to use double sticky tape to show you how this works. So I'm going to do double sticky tape all the way around the edge of the box. And sometimes it's a little tricky because it likes to stick to you rather than to the box. There you go, because it is double sticky. So I just got that around the edges. I don't even have to do the middle. Just make sure you line up the edges. And there you have it. Your diorama is now complete on the outside.